Alright, this is a video on how to replace the battery in a Ford Explorer that has a rounded key like this that was used in the 2011 through 2015, so 2011 to 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 Ford Explorer. 2011 through 2015. So to get access to this battery, it is a replaceable battery. And what it requires that's really handy is actually a box cutter, because what you'll need to do is score. Score is just kind of making small cuts on this line here that cuts the key in half. So you can see all the way around the entire key, there's kind of a indentation. And if you kind of score around and just slowly pry apart that key, you'll be able to get into the internals of the battery here, which I'll show you in a second. Let me get this here. Okay, so you can see right around the edges here. If you take a small flathead screwdriver and just kind of slowly work your way around prying this apart, there's actually a really good indentation here, right at the upper. If you're looking at the key like this, kind of in the upper right here, you'll see a little indentation. If you can get your flathead screwdriver in there, you can really start to pry this key apart. And just kind of slowly work your way around, and eventually you'll be able to get this back off and separate these two pieces on this Ford Explorer key. And just keep working it, and eventually this will pop off. And you may see there's a small lining here. It's maybe covering the battery. That may come off. That's fine. You're going to need to take that off to get access to the battery here. And now we can see the battery, which is a CR2032, and this will just kind of pop right out. If it doesn't, just put your small flathead screwdriver just right in here, pop that guy out. Pop this out, and then pop in a new 2032 battery, place that in there. And just make sure and get the get that right in there, and then make sure you line up this rubber mat piece that kind of separates, adds a little buffer between the key and the rest of the back. And then if you really wanted to make this secure, you might take some super glue around the edges of the key here, so that way when you put it back on and pop it in, it's really going to stay into place there. You shouldn't need to replace this too often. Make sure you get the backing here in the right spot. So line up the battery here. Make sure that it kind of has a place for it to sit there. And the Ford logo will be actually upside down here. And pop that back in, and then just kind of depress it all the way around. Like I said, if you wanted to add some super glue to the edges, that's how you do it. But that's how you replace the battery in a Ford Explorer. Again, this is model years 2011 through 2015.